Hey everyone and welcome to Simba Health. In this video, we will talk about 9 benefits of eating oatmeal and 6 potential negative aspects to keep in mind. Are you looking for a healthy and versatile breakfast option that can keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day? Look no further than oatmeal. This humble grain is not only affordable and widely available, but it's also packed with nutrients that can support your overall health and well-being. In fact, just one serving of oatmeal contains about 4 grams of fiber, which can promote digestive health and help you feel fuller for longer. Additionally, oatmeal is a good source of vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc, and has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. However, while oatmeal is generally considered a healthy food, there are a few potential downsides to keep in mind. In this video, we'll explore the benefits and drawbacks of eating oatmeal and give you tips for choosing the healthiest options. Oatmeal is an excellent source of dietary fiber. One serving of oatmeal contains about 4 grams of fiber, which can help promote digestive health and keep you feeling full for longer periods. Oatmeal is rich in vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin B1, among other nutrients. Eating oatmeal can help lower your risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that the beta-glucan fiber in oatmeal can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Please subscribe and like. Oatmeal can help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in oatmeal can slow down the absorption of glucose, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. Oatmeal can help you lose weight. Because it is low in calories and high in fiber, oatmeal can help you feel full and satisfied while eating fewer calories. Oatmeal can improve your skin health. The vitamins and minerals in oatmeal, as well as its anti-inflammatory properties, can help soothe dry and itchy skin. Eating oatmeal can boost your energy levels. The complex carbohydrates in oatmeal provide a steady source of energy, which can help you power through your day. Oatmeal is easy to prepare and versatile. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, sweet or savory, and can be used in a variety of recipes. Oatmeal is affordable and widely available. It is a budget-friendly and accessible food that can be found at most grocery stores. While oatmeal is generally considered a healthy food, there are a few potential negative aspects to keep in mind. Potential negative aspects of oatmeal may contain traces of gluten, which can be harmful to people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Some people may have an allergy or intolerance to oats, resulting in digestive symptoms. Flavored oatmeal can be high in added sugars and calories, contributing to weight gain and negative health outcomes if consumed in excess. Studies on oatmeal and its effects on blood sugar, insulin, and cholesterol levels show significant improvements in blood sugar and cholesterol levels when compared to white bread. Note that these improvements are only seen immediately after consuming oatmeal, not long-term. Beta-glucan and its benefits. A compound found in oatmeal, shown to lower cholesterol levels, improving heart health. Importance of choosing plain or minimally flavored oatmeal. Flavored varieties can contain significant amounts of added sugars and calories, negating the health benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal as a healthy breakfast option. A great choice for its potential health benefits. However, it's important to pay attention to the type of oatmeal consumed. Key takeaways from the video. Oatmeal can improve blood sugar and cholesterol levels thanks to beta-glucan. Flavored oatmeal can contain added sugars and calories, so choose plain or minimally flavored options. Pay attention to the type of oatmeal consumed to get the most health benefits. Here are 3 lesser-known facts about unsweetened oatmeal. Blood sugar and cholesterol improvements vary depending on the study. While some studies show a significant improvement in blood sugar and cholesterol levels after consuming oatmeal, these improvements are only seen immediately after the meal and may not be sustained in the long term. One study compared oatmeal to white bread as a control, and another study focused only on the isolated compound beta-glucan found in oatmeal. Interestingly, a study with participants who had diabetes did not show a significant change in blood glucose levels. Oats contain a protein called avenin, which is a type of gluten. While avenin is typically considered safe for people with celiac disease, it has been shown to increase cytokines in some individuals. This may cause inflammation and other negative health effects. Oat products are sometimes treated with glyphosate, a controversial herbicide that has been classified as a carcinogen by the World Health Organization. While the amount of glyphosate in oat products is generally considered safe, some individuals may prefer to avoid it altogether. While oatmeal can be a nutritious breakfast option, it may not be the best choice for everyone. Some experts suggest trying intermittent fasting or opting for other breakfast foods like eggs for a healthier start to your day. As always, it's important to make informed decisions based on your individual health needs and preferences. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.